How much more are you ready to suffer before you will make the right decision? That's the message coming up for somebody who is watching this video, who is tuned into this reading. How much more are you guys ready to suffer before you can actually make the right decision? Because some of you know that you need to let go of something, some of you know that you need to let go of certain thought processes, your limiting beliefs, a person, a job, a relationship, or something in your life which is no longer serving you. You know that you need to let go of that, but you are just not letting it go because that is your comfort zone, because that is where you feel the most comfortable, because that is where you feel like home. But it is no longer serving you, but you still don't want to let it go because that is comfortable. So you're advised here to choose your actions, choose your decisions, choose your words more properly so that you don't suffer even more in the upcoming time. There is some work going on outside of my house, so you might hear a lot of noises, so please ignore them. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. There are no more opportunities that are going to show up in your life if you don't want to make the decision, because you already know what your decision should be, but you still don't want to let it go. You still don't want to make the decision. You feel like, okay, eventually I will, but eventually the doors will be closed and then the universe will step in and make the decision for you, which can be hurtful, which can also be heartbreaking. So you will have to make the decision which you know is so much necessary, because the moment you make this decision, things won't get worse, things will actually start improving. But before that, you'll have to make the decision. You will have to make the necessary decision if you want to experience happiness into your life. Let's see more. Okay, we have Six of Cups in reverse. You are not going to reunite with this person. If you are asking that, it's not happening. It's not that you don't have the clarity. It's not that this person is not making a decision because they are confused. They just don't want to do it. So basically, if you're wondering, okay, maybe one day when he gets sure of me, one day when he gets confirmed, when he or she will get a certain job, when he or she will get into a certain position and certain energy, then they will give me the commitment and they will come back. It's not going to happen. You already know it. Maybe you communicated this with this person. The message here coming up for you today, guys, is to do it scared, do it confused, do it uncertain, do it however you feel right now. Do it in any given situation, but do it, because as you do it, as you make this decision, as you let go of something which is not serving you, you will attract a lot of prosperity in your life, materialistic prosperity into your life, and you will also attract momentum. So your life will start moving forward, your life will start moving basically. So if you feel stuck, your life will no longer feel stuck if you make the decision which you are delaying, even after knowing that which is not serving you. This person is not coming back, and I cannot repeat myself. And if you're not focused on any of a person, then just know that this job is not going to serve you, this opportunity is not going to serve you, and you will have to change. You will have to make a decision. You'll have to change your decision. You will have to take bold steps. Do it scared, do it confused, do it like with little resources, but you'll have to do it, because as you do that, your life will pick up momentum, your life will pick up a lot of speed, through which you will be able to enjoy life in general, through which you will be able to acquire wealth, through which you will be able to manifest more momentum into your life. So you will attract more speed, you will be hanging out with your friends more, you will be going on vacations, you will be going out in general. If you are isolated, you will break free from the isolations and you will be able to move forward with the life in general. With you will be able to move on. So basically, it's like If you're suffering, you are the only person making you suffer right now, because as soon as you make a decision, because I feel like some of you need to make a decision, and if this is not resonating with you, please wait for other reading that might help with you. Otherwise, it's completely fine. Every reading does not have to resonate with you. You have to make a decision, and the moment you make the decision, your suffering will end. Because I feel like if you're suffering right now and if you're going through any of the uncertainties, it is because of your own decision. It is because of your own indecision, because you're not making the decision. Because not making a decision is also a decision. So you have to change your decision in order to attract what it is that you want in your life, which will stop your suffering, which will end your sufferings, which will end a lot of pressure and tension in your life. 10 of Wands in reverse just fell down, which is about the same things. 10 of Wands is like, and I pulled out 10 twice, so 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands both in reverse. So your suffering will end, your tension, your burdens, your responsibilities, your emotional trauma, your hurt, everything, heartbreak will also end. But you'll have to make a decision, and that decision is to walk away from something which is not serving you. You yourself are blinding yourself by not pulling yourself out of the comfort zone, which is not even serving you. You're limiting now. This can be your limiting mindset, your limiting beliefs. This can also be your ability to not see right through the people's BS. Like, you feel that people cannot ever do bad to you. People cannot ever be bad. People cannot be the bad people because you are not bad people. But people can be bad. That's the reality, and that's the hard truth of the society, hard truth of life, that people do not always have the best interest for us, and we have to protect ourselves from that. If you're feeling instability in your life, Knight of Wands, I literally saw that 4-5 times in your reading. Even after I started recording, I saw the Knight of Swords. If you're feeling instability in life, if you're feeling overly ambitious and you're so much focused on your financial goals right now, but yet you're still not feeling stable in your life, it's like, I'm overworking, I'm overdoing, I'm literally over exaggerating, I'm working so much, but I still don't feel the stability. You are not doing anything wrong. You are doing everything right. You're working hard, you're making the right decisions, you're making the wrong decisions in trusting people. And this is the reason why you are feeling the way that you're feeling. It's like you're making all the right decisions, but because of your one wrong decision, everything is just seeming useless. Because it's like you're eating, but then when it comes to dieting or exercising, you don't exercise, and that's why your weight is gaining. Or if you want to make, like, build muscle and build a body, you're exercising, but then you're not eating right. So because you're making every single decision right in your life, you're exercising, you're doing the right workout, but just because you're not, like, providing yourself and your body with the right nutrition, you are not able to build a better body for yourself. So that is something that you need to work on, and that is something which will help you to, like, build a happy life. And you have to make that one right decision, and you will know which one is that for you, because intuitively you already know what I'm talking about. And if you feel like, I don't know, I'm pretty clueless about what you're talking, this reading is not for you, right? So I think this is all that I have for you. If you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, you can book that from the link given in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is also in the description box below. Subscribe to my other channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.